Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Have you ever felt trapped in a circle of self-doubt and overthinking? Have you ever wondered, how is it that other people are so successful while I'm just stuck here, even though we started out exactly the same time? What if I told you that there's a simple solution to all of this? Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to introduce to you the game-changing secret you've been waiting for. Confidence through action. You see, psychologists have an awesome little trick they call act as if. It means you don't wait to become confident, you act confident to become confident. Confident actions lead to confident thoughts, and before you know it, you'll be standing out in every area of your life, inshallah. So today I'm about to share 5 simple exercises that are designed to give you that much needed confidence boost. So let's get right into it. Number 1, be a front seater. Sitting at the front isn't just for the teacher's pet. It's a power move that puts you at the center of attention. When you sit out front, whether in a meeting or lecture or any gathering, you're telling yourself and others that you're eager to participate, to learn, and to lead. This can create a sense of purpose inside you and can often lead to increased participation and attention from others. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once said, "If the people knew what reward there is in the call to prayer and the front row, and they found no other way to get there except by drawing lots, they would draw lots." Take this hadith as a motivation to always aim for the front row, whether it's in a meeting, classroom, or life itself. Number 2, make eye contact. Maintaining eye contact can be a game changer in how people perceive you. It's a universal sign of confidence and helps make connections with others. People are more likely to listen, engage, and even respect you more. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam always maintained eye contact with those he spoke with. So the next time you're in a conversation with someone, look at them in the eye. It will not only make you appear more confident, but also help you connect on a deeper level. Number 3, walk a little faster. Your walk says a lot about you. Try walking a bit faster than you normally would. This is so simple, and yet it displays purpose, energy, and yes, confidence. When you move like you've got places to be, things to do, people will take notice. And guess what? You also trick your brain into feeling more important and focused. Number 4, speak up. Now this has happened to all of us. You have a great idea in a meeting or a classroom, but you let the moment pass. Well, no more. Speak up and let your voice be heard. And when you speak, do it with purpose and clarity. Did you know that the Sahaba radiallahu anhum were known for their eagerness to ask questions for the sake of gaining knowledge and clarity? They did not shy away, whether they were in large gatherings or small settings. There was even an incident where Khalifa Umar radiallahu an was giving a khutbah and a woman from the audience corrected him about a point of Islamic law. Instead of dismissing her, Umar acknowledged her correction in front of everyone, emphasizing that everyone has the right to speak the truth and no one is beyond being corrected. Therefore, don't be shy and speak if you have something good to say. Remember, if you don't speak up, you risk being overlooked. Number 5, smile big. Never underestimate the power of a big, genuine smile. It's the best way to form a good first impression. Smiling doesn't just make you feel better, it makes those around you also feel better. A genuine smile can change the mood of a room and make people feel comfortable around you. Plus, it's a sunnah. Alright everyone, there you have it. 5 game-changing tips to supercharge your confidence and take your life to the next level. Just imagine what a difference these tips can make. It's not just about looking confident, it's about becoming the confident person you've always wanted to be. Remember, confidence isn't something you were born with, it's something you build. And the best part, it's all rooted in the actions you can take today. As in the words of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, take advantage of 5 matters before 5 other matters. Your youth before you become old, your health before you fall sick, your wealth before you become poor, your free time before you become preoccupied, and your life before your death. So don't wait for tomorrow. The time to act is now. May Allah empower you with the confidence to seize the day and make the most out of every opportunity that comes your way. Ameen. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, please share your thoughts in the comments below and let's make this a vibrant, supportive community. Until next time, stay blessed, stay confident, and of course, Assalamu alaikum.